Yo, what's up guys? Quick video today. We're just going to replace the cups and braces. These are the braces that hold the fuel tank in basically, and they've gone super rusty. Let's have a look. Right, as you can see, this one's actually clean snapped off, and they hold the fuel tank in place here as support. So we're just going to whip, there's one big 19 bolt in there, and then there's these two 13s. Well, they're 13s on mine, but they're pretty corroded, so it might be 13 because they're corroded. Maybe they're 14s originally, I don't know. And then the other side here, there is also two bolts. So we're going to whip that off, that bolt, these two bolts, and then we're going to replace them with new ones, which I'll show you right now. Over here, and we've got some new ones. So you can tell what they're supposed to look like, which is vastly different to what is on there now. They have, they're a common problem on the Mark 1 IS, both the 200s and the 300s. Let's whip the old ones off. Just use the gun, take them all out. It should be an easy job, hopefully. The only issue we might have is if some of the bolts are corroded and they won't come out, which is always a possibility. So I'm not going to rule out that this is going to take me 17 days to fix. Let's get on with it. There's the 19mm inside there. So I'm just going to get that one out. If I can find it. There you go. It's a big long bolt, that. That's huge, and they're really expensive as well. Look at that, massive. So, I think I've seen those. They're between, I think on the official Lexus website, they're like £66 from the UK. It's crazy. I think they're like £3,300. I'm gonna whip these two out next. It should be 13, sorry. Hopefully they come off. Maybe they're 12s then. Well, that one's a 13, so I don't know what that's. I don't know if they're supposed to be different sizes or not. Oh, it's not going to come out now. Get out! Right, screwdriver time. Okay, I'll try a 12 on that and see if it comes out. Hopefully, please. Oh, it should. It should definitely come out. These two, I think, are 12s. They're not fitting on that well, though. I really hope. Might have to knock these on with a hammer. Knock the socket on. I think these are two different sizes, like a 12 and a 13, just like the others. Definitely looks like it. This one is the 12, I think. Oh, well. Take that extension off. Okay, come on. Oh, it must be a 12 then, if it's spinning. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Take this up. Oh, it's got a clip here as well. Oh, just fell off. Ugh. Alright, cool. Off. You can see this little rubber stopper here. So remember that the flat edge of this goes against the top of the car, and the rounded edge will go into the cup of the the deep end. So just remember that orientation, and it's pretty straightforward other than that. Right, so the new stuff, we need one of the stoppers. Oh, these are different actually, so I need to make sure. Let's go get the other one to make sure that they're going on in the right place. Look at the state of that. That is unbelievable. None of the car, the rest of the car is like this. This is like the worst part. So which one have we got here? This one, and this one is the opposite, as you can see. So we want to use this one here. the stoppers are the same. So let's get one of those stopper, and then let's have a look at the other brace, because they're dependent. They're left and right dependent as well. This one looks to be the same as... Oh, I can't even tell. That's bad. It's literally ripped off. And it's not even connected to here anymore. Whew. Anyway, so I think it's got to be that one. There. Yeah, because that's opposite there. You see the slant is on the top, and here the slant is on the bottom. Like going this way, and the other one is going that way. So we don't need that. We need this. Okay, we're all good to go. So this is the right side here that I'm installing. First is the stopper. Flat side facing the car. Will that stay? Yes, it will stay. Then we get our cup. And that will go like this. Will it? No. Yes. I can't remember. Alright, let's have a look at the other side. I thought it was actually the rubber stopper would go into here, but I was wrong. That's not the right way. So we want to put it on this way. The 2 bolts in there, and then the big bolt in here. The cup's going to go on like this. No, not like that, like that. Big bolt in here. Can't even see. Oh, don't forget to take the sticker off, otherwise you can't see, or you can't get the bolt through. Just poke a hole in it. Right, big bolt in, like that. And these 2 bolts in here. I think they're actually both 12s, but the corrosion has made it feel different. Just going to use the gun to get these in. Then the 19, big bolts. On the right side of the car, the brace goes in this way. But you'll see that it matches up to these only one way anyway. And it matches here on the chassis only one way, so you can't go wrong. I was actually wanting to reuse these, but I've realised that just completely welded. There's no way I would ever get that out, it's destroyed. So I've got some new ones, which is lucky, because the only ones anywhere close to the size they do fit in here, so I'm going to use these. I've only got copper washers, so I'm going to have to use these until I can find some stainless ones. Let's put this on here. One and where is it? 2. Ooh, hold on. Before we do that, if you look here, you've got these 2 little tabs coming off. Make sure that they're in here like this, otherwise you're not going to be able to do it. So you want those little tabs behind the plastic. Make sure you put those in first, and then you can attach this side. Let's redo this one. One in there. One in there. Got one in here and one in here. Tighten them all up now, and I've just tightened them up tight because I could not find the torque specs anywhere. If I do find them, I will post them in the comments, and I'll pin the comment to the top. I've also just done the other side, so there we go. It looks so much better, and obviously it's much safer. And there we go. That's it. All done. Just look at the state of that. That is horrific. That's the end of the video. Real quick one, really easy one. Bolt in, bolt out, bolt out, bolt in. And yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. See you in the next video. Peace.